everyone, good evening. Mga presidente ng ibang works nandito. Gabi. Of course, ang ating gumagawa po at magiting, kapitapilagan. The presidente ng Gabi. And Sir Tyler, everyone, revisions, good evening. Some of you may not know me or know me siguro by name because I have been I have been very absent lately because of some things to do aside from gravity. Hope you understand. But as Sir Tyler said, mamaya alis na ako. I have to leave now para may isang Christmas party ulit. And then at 12 or 1 o'clock, I have to go to the airport to go to Tacloban. And I have to go to hectic, to go to Borongan mamaya. Tomorrow 6 p.m. because I have a talk. So, Christmas. Hindi naman masyadong extend ko itong gagawin ko. I just want you to remember that Christmas is all about 3 things. 3 things. Isang star, isang baby, at isang manger. Ano yung kahulugan ng star? Stars. Christmas time is for us a time to find our stars. And what does the star mean to us? Ibig sabihin, these stars, like what it did for the 3 kings, ginabayan ng star na ito to go to Jesus. So, find your star in your life. Asan yung star na yun na mag-lead sa inyo, sa mga gusto ninyo, sa inyong mga pangarap at mga kagustuhan sa buhay. Pangalawa, ang Christmas is about that little boy, that infant Jesus sa manger na ipinanganak noong gabing iyon. So, huwag kayong mag-isip na lagi na lang kayong SMP kasi hindi naman relevant. Huwag niyong iisipin na wala kayong regalo. Kasi ang Christmas is not just about gifts. Do not think, and pray rally. It's just, kung nagbabasa kayo ng bleeding pen sa Johnson Chronicle, ito lang yung sinasabi ko, mga ganitong bagay lang. So, inulit ko, the Christmas is all about also an infant. The Emmanuel, the God who is with us. Pangatlo, it's all about the stable. Yung kung saan siya pinanganak. Isang payak na bahay, ay hindi nga bahay, kulong na hayop, sabsaban. Ano ibig sabihin sa ating buhay? Find your sabsaban. No. What I mean is that find your home. Because for that night, that sabsaban was the home of Christ. So find your home. Umuwi kayo sa inyo sa Pasko. At huwag kayong pumunta sa mga barkada ninyo. As much as possible, spend time with your family. Because that is the true essence of Christmas. In synthesis, 3 things. First, find your light, find your star, find your guide. Second, find Jesus in your life. Find that infant Jesus in your life. Hanapin ninyo yung inyong kabataan sa pamamagitan ng pagtingin sa isang batang Jesus. At pangatlo, find your stable, find your manger, find your home. Hanapin ninyo ang inyong pamilya at kung saan ninyo nararamdaman ang magiging pamilya. Pwede rin yun sa Kapatid Network at sa Kapamilya Network at sa Kapundol. Basta kung saan ninyo mararamdaman na kayo ay parte ng isang pamilya. And lastly, I hope that as we end this 2011, the first year of Gravity as a recognized student organization, I just hope that it did you well. I just hope that it has been your star. It has led you to Jesus. It has led you to your true home. We're just one family. Isang bahay lang tayo dito. Kinukulit na ako. So, yung tatlong lang yun. Tandaan nyo yun. And lastly, last na talaga ito, I will be, again, kung napanood niyo yung video about kung nag-DJ ako, I will be doing that again ngayong December kasi may programa kami. So, kung friend ko kayo sa Facebook, please send your names so greet you. Kasi nakakahiya na hindi ko pa rin nag-greet lang. Okay?
Naging great daw tayo yan.
Promotion yun, promotion. Isasali na natin yung for membership drive. Mag-ask tayo ng mga members sa akin. Okay? So yun lang po yun. Thank you very much everyone. Merry Christmas. Happy